They tried to bind you, but they ended up binding themselves instead. This individual is extremely enraged. They are so angry because their plan has failed. They wanted you to be stuck. They wanted you to be destitute, is what I'm hearing. They wanted to be victorious over you. They thought that they studied you. They thought that they worked out your routine, your formula, whatever the case. They thought that they were so much smarter than you. They thought that they could entrap you. But what they are witnessing is that people are celebrating you. People like you. People want to invite you to their events. People want to invite you to their parties. People want to collaborate with you. People feel like you're family. People want to include you. This is not what they wanted for some of you. This person wanted to keep you a secret. For some of you, this individual has strong romantic feelings for you. And they kept this hidden from you. Okay? For some of you, I feel as if these feelings are going to be illuminated. They wanted to lure you away from someone. They wanted you to feel as if no one loved you, no one cared about you, and that they were the only ones that had the best intentions for you. But their intentions for you was to bind you, okay? This individual tried to get involved in a romantic connection. Maybe they tried to get involved by flirting with yourself or flirting with your partner, or they tried to intervene with a potential connection that was blossoming. They didn't want this to happen. They were very angry that you were moving towards someone else. So they may have tried to push someone out of the situation or push you out of a situation. They wanted you to be all up in your head, 8 of Swords. They wanted you to feel as if no one cared about you, because that's how they feel inside. They feel neglected, they feel abandoned, and obviously those thoughts are not nice, but that's what they wanted for you. Because they refused to heal, they projected all their unhealed wounds onto you. This person saw how you are loved, how people love your energy, how people enjoy your company. This person sees how you lift the vibe of the room, but they don't want you to see it. They kept how you are as a secret. They downplayed your energy. They wanted you to want them to give them that reassurance. They wanted you to seek their approval as if you were nothing, as if you didn't have this amazing, beautiful energy that everyone enjoys being around. They wanted to gatekeep your energy. And even so, when they were doing this, they weren't praising you. They weren't lifting you up. They were energetically draining you. And you may have felt like this is your lot, but that's not the truth. They were siphoning your energy, draining your essence, your light, wanting you to believe that they were the only ones that cared. You may have felt disappointed. You may have felt annoyed, but you felt indebted to this person because when you looked around, no one else was there because they scared everyone away. Whether through manipulation or telling people things, gossiping about you to other people, making out that you're someone that you're not so that people won't want to align with you, making people think that you don't care about them. It was all a plan to bind you. The reason why they did this is because two things, butterflies. For some of you, they are in love with you. Okay? This is something that they don't want to accept. For some of you, yeah, they do accept it. And this is how they love. They're very forceful. And another reason is they fear that you may not love them back. So this is why they're operating in this energy. Even if you had boundaries with this individual, they cross those boundaries. I'm hearing that song, you're going to love me. That's what this person's thinking. You're going to love me. For some of you, this could be an ex-partner. For some of you, this could be a friend that's got feelings for you. For some of you, this person does love you in their own way. They could be family, could be a friend, I don't know. But they were jealous of your energy. And they wanted to out you because they see you as a leader. They see you as a very powerful, dynamic force. And they know that how they were operating was wrong. But they were so consumed with their own greed and selfishness that they refused to stop. And how they tried to bind you was by trying to appear very caring, very motherly, like the Empress. Trying to appear doting, to keep you codependent, to keep you stuck. And it was working for some time. And they were getting very confident because they felt like they were nearing to being in a full-blown romantic relationship with you. So they cloaked themselves as though they were a mother figure. How sick. All along, they wanted to bed you. For some of you, they may have appeared as if they were a caring friend, when all along they wanted to keep you single. They wanted you to be a single mother. They wanted your partner to leave you due to jealousy. They were jealous of the love that you received from your partner. So they tried to deter you and say to you that, oh, you're doing everything on your own. You may as well be single. Maybe this person is single. Maybe they're bitter because they want what you have. So they want to destroy your marriage, your relationship, the potential of a relationship because they're not happy. For some of you, this person wants you for themselves, even if you don't even find them attractive. They were willing to cross these boundaries. For some of you, this person felt that what they were doing was right if it meant that they fulfilled an inner need. They wanted to gain satisfaction by any cost, even if it meant that it was crossing your boundaries or if you weren't in alignment with these things. But Spirit stepped in and you pulled your energy back. Something shifted. Maybe you weren't even aware of what shifted. Maybe people were gossiping about this person's strange fixation on you. Maybe someone pointed out, look, this person's moving funny, yo. No, this person's weird. Or I heard this. Or this person said this about you. Or why didn't you come to this event? I invited you. Or I told this person to send you a message. Or why didn't you get this message? Or something was said. Or people were gossiping and you overheard. Or someone told you something. Or Spirit just intervened in this actual situation and said, listen, you need to stop entertaining this person. Because maybe you weren't aware of this. Because remember, this person was appearing as a kind, genuine soul. They were manipulating the whole situation. They were trying to manipulate you. They were cloaked. Because inside, this person was extremely evil and very vindictive. And maybe in the past, you weren't aware of this. And you were thinking, look, this person's nice. Like, this person's helped me. And no. Spirit is saying either You woken up, or it's time to wake up to the truth. And I feel like whatever spell that this person put over you, because they use the spell of manipulation, it's breaking, or it's gonna break. For some of you, this is past tense. You've broken from this because you started to give the love to yourself. You removed your energy, so there was nothing to control anymore. You started to pour into yourself. This is what this person didn't want. They wanted you to believe. For some of you, this could be a mum. This could be your mum. This could be a mother-in-law. Please take what resonates. Or it could be someone appearing as a mother figure, as a mentor, all the while trying to lure and trap and bind you to their will. This is all based on control, because this person doesn't have control over any aspect of their life. But they saw it in within you. And Spirit is saying, take your power back. And some of you have. Congratulations. And this is why this person cannot try and bind you anymore. Maybe you were given to this person. You were very nice. And then you pulled back energetically. And you started pouring into yourself. Because this person was so used to you seeking their approval. They were so used to you seeking them out. They were so used to you wanting to connect with them. And they were feeding off this. They felt like they were the gatekeeper of your life. But you Five of Pentacles them. You left them out. You stopped telling them about your plans, your goals. You stopped hanging out with them. And you started to invest in yourself. And you started to invest in others that this individual blocked from you. They made you believe that no one cared, and it wasn't true. And since you removed yourself from this individual, all those people that they blocked from you, they came rushing in. Or they will come rushing in. This person is fearful of being alone. And that is going to be their portion. They wanted you to be alone. For some of you, they wanted you to only have them to rely on. Can you imagine that? And now this person is going to be shocked. And they still got one more pentacle to offer you. One more lie. One more manipulation to see if you're going to fall into the trap. And you're not. Because the more you love yourself, the more their mask slips. And the more you don't need them. And you never needed them. They needed you. They were riding off your coattails. For some of you, they were fearful of your growth. Fearful of your star power. That's why they try to hide you. Block opportunities from you. They have now binded themselves with the devil card. Look. They thought that they have won. You see in this card, he's got all these little cages. They try to cage you up energetically and trap you. But now this person's trapped because you've broken free. They feel trapped, or they are going to feel trapped. They're going to feel as if they're going crazy when they see that you are moving away from them. All the connections they try to block from you, you are aligning with these people. You are gaining these opportunities. They're going to get a front row seat, or they're going to hear about it or see it online. And they're going to go crazy. They're going to start crashing out. For some of you, boy, Two of Pentacles in the reverse talks about instability, I should say. This person's unstable anyway to be operating in this energy, and their refusal to heal was projected upon you. Because they have wounds that have nothing to do with you. So they try to latch onto your energy and control you and dictate the course of your life. Because you were a distraction to their healing. And this person's going to be stuck in a depression of loss. They don't own you. They wanted to gatekeep you from others. They wanted to isolate you. And they're going to be left isolated, shocked, disempowered. vengeful, angry with you. Don't be surprised if this person tries to argue with you. Or because they lost control. This type of person that will snap on you. They're so fixated on you, on your life. And this fixation is going to be exposed because they're not going to be able to conceal their jealousy, their anger, their instability in regards to you. People are going to move away from them. And they're going to be obsessed with being around you. And other people will witness this and see it. Even if they concealed it, people will see their obsession with you. Their obsession is going to be exposed. And they're going to have no control. Because all the energy they put out in regards to trying to cage you energetically, they're going to feel entrapped and encaged within the mind. All because they try to bind you. So they try to bind you. But you got some powerful ancestors, some great friends. They're going to end up binding themselves, trapped with a one-sided love. Trapped with feeling like they've been defeated because of your success. And feeling stuck and stagnant, unable to move, unable to achieve what they wanted to achieve because they tried to block your blessings. You or the person of the signs, Pisces, Leo, Cancer, Sagittarius, Leo, Libra, Taurus, Libra again, Pisces, Virgo again, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, and Aquarius, North, South Node, or Lilith. They see you as a shining star. For some of you, you are this person's wish fulfillment, but you were never destined to be with them, and that's why they try to force matters. For others of you, this person doesn't want you to shine. They want to conceal you. They're fearful of your glow, your victory, fearful that you will exceed them, and you will. Keep shining. Keep away from this lunatic.